Paperback Princess, Elephant and Piggy, Pigeon, Fancy Nancy, Amelia Bedelia, Pinkie Pie, Winnie the Pooh, Curious George, Jayla as the Paperback Princess. Welcome back to Paperback Princess. Today we are going to be reading Yes Day by... Let's get to it.
No way, Jose Day.
When pigs fly day.
Breaker, that's a big negatory big buddy over and out day.
Go ask your mother day.
We've discussed it and considered all the factors and decided absolutely not day.
Out of the question day.
Nope. Nope on a rope day.
Yes Day. Yes. Today is my favorite day of the year. Yes Day. Just watch, you'll see what I mean. Can I please have pizza for breakfast? Can I use your hair gel? Say cheese. Can I clean my room tomorrow?
Later, mess.
Can I pick? Can we get ice cream? Can I eat lunch outside? Can we have a food fight? Can we invent our own game? Can I have a piggyback bread? Can Mario come over for dinner? Can we stay up really late? Does this day have to end?
Yes.
The end of Yes Day. See you again next year. Hope you liked today's video. Click that red subscribe button and the bell that notifies you when my videos come. You'll be the first to know.